Hey, welcome! In this video, I'm drawing the Common Loon using colored pencils. And my name is Lily. Thanks for joining. Welcome to my channel, Little Nature Art. For this reference, I'm using the field guide to the birds of North America by National Geographic. And this is going to be kind of a pretty easygoing sketch with a couple of Prismacolor colored pencils. I'll just kind of give a couple quick updates here as I'm sketching out the outline, but if you want to skip ahead to where I'm coloring the loon in, that's just will be a little after a minute and a half into the video. So actually, I recorded this a couple of months ago while I was still living in New Hampshire. I was getting pretty excited about moving back to Minnesota where I grew up. So in anticipation, I guess I picked out the Common Loon, which is Minnesota's state bird, to draw. And I had a lot of fun with this. I really like the Prismacolors for their blending opportunities, and I've been having a lot of fun using more color in my base sketches. These Prismacolors really let you then go over that and dial it back if needed, but especially for this loon, which are mostly black, I wanted to keep as much blue or other color in as possible for the finished drawing. But otherwise, for updates, I'm settled back in Minnesota, and I'm hoping to get back into a regular schedule of posting some. And it is also, the new year, so it's not really an official resolution, but mostly just trying to center enjoying my time with art and keep making time for it. So I hope 2025 treated you all right, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this sketch. And I'm looking forward to seeing more loons in person now that I am back in northern Minnesota. Alright, so that's about it. If you enjoyed this video, check out my channel for similar other drawing videos about my process or other wildlife. And let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. And thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you have an excellent rest of the day. Bye!